Hi guys, so we're back at another Chaffle recipe, episode 12. I found an old video and I was experimenting with 4 different kinds of cheeses. So today we're going to be using ultra thin cheese by Sargento, the Swiss cheese brand, provolone cheese, the Market Basket brand, Colby Jack cheese, the Market Basket brand, and some mozzarella cheese. I guess you get the drift now, Market Basket brand. Hey, one of my favorite stores. Prices are very reasonable, and they always have a good supply of product on hand. And then you're going to need some eggs, obviously, and a mini dash. And what we're going to do right now is going to put everything all into a measuring cup, and I'm going to use that whisk to whisk the eggs. And these are the eggs that I'm using, the white eggs, and choices everything else. Seasoned bagel seasoning, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So why don't we just cut open the mozzarella cheese and the package of cheese, and when we complete them, we're going to put them on that cooling rack. So let's get the mini dash going. And yeah, I noticed in the background here in that older video, we had one of those frothers there. I got to send out for another one. It just, I've been really vigilant right now, and I need to get back on track again. I'm going to have a whole couple of new videos coming up for you soon, and what went on with my weight and everything, and everything just snowballed. So anyways, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the best 4 eggs, going to crack them into the measuring cup and whisk them and get going on them after the mini dash is heated up. So why don't we just let the video play for a little while till we get to the process. Okay, now that our mini dash is ready, let's lift it up at the tongs and then put a couple slices of provolone on here. This is the Market Basket brand. This is the ultra thin cheese, but I wanted to see how it would work on that. And the any kind of cheese really works. And this just took a little while longer for the cheese to melt because it was thicker. And now that we're ready to put the egg mixture on, and again I got it on a piece of paper towel in case I make a mess. And it's the reason why I put it in a measuring cup because it makes it easier to pour. And then 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes later, I had a couple of ultra thin cheese Chaffles, and then over here I'm showing you the Swiss cheese. But we're going to do with the since they're squared, we're going to cut them around with a pair of scissors. And then with the extra pieces, we're just going to put them on top of the Chaffle, make it use them up. And you can use them for little bite-sized snacks. And we're going to do the same thing with the Colby Jack cheese. Now with the mozzarella cheese coming up in the video segment there, we're just going to put it into the egg mixture that way, and just, I couldn't quite remember how I did it, but we'll watch it together over the video, and, come back and talk about it at the end. And from this point on, I'm just going to have music till we get to the end of the video. Well, they're too bad. So to clean up your mini dash, you just take a piece of damn paper towel and just put it over the top and close the lid. It's pretty much that simple. And then after it completely cools, I'll wipe it all down. So these are our 4 different Chaffles. You can see one was a little bit darker than the other one, and the lighter ones were the ones that were made with the Swiss cheese. And they were all very good, very tasty, and use up a couple of Chaffle ideas. And hope you enjoyed the video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and be watching for episode 13.